आज स्टार्ट करते प्रॉब्लम्स, वो है नॉर्मेलिटी पे. प्रीवियसली वी हैव सीन दैट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मोलैरिटी. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द नॉर्मेलिटी. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस which formula we should know? That formula is formula first one for the normality. Normality is equal to moles of solute, number of moles of solute. Instead of that we have to write here mass of solute, because for the molarity we have to consider that number of moles, but here mass of solute divided by gram equivalent means here we have to consider the equivalent weight of the solute and volume of solution. If that volume of solution is in liter, then no need to multiply. If it is in ml, we have to multiply with the 1000. So this is the formula. So before going towards that, what is meant by that equivalent weight? Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by its valency or the acidity or basicity. So these two formulae are important to find out the normality. So today we are going to start with the first problem. That first problem is what will be the normality, means here we have to find out the normality of a solution containing 4.9 gram of H3PO4. So this is the mass of solute. What is given? Given in that given data, mass of solute is given. Mass of solute is 4.9 gram. Okay, so what is the that solute is H3PO4. After that, dissolve in 500 ml of water, means that is the volume of solution. That volume of water means solution, we can say that is the 500 ml. Volume of solution is 500 ml. Now what is required? See, mass of solute is with us, equivalent weight we have to find out, volume is there. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by valency. So firstly we'll discuss that H3PO4, that is the phosphate is there. So phosphate, it carries -3 charge, it carries +3, because each hydrogen carries +1 charge, 3 hydrogen atoms are there, that's why 3. Because if we consider the structure of phosphate is that OH, OH and OH, that's why each hydrogen is ionizable. So here for the H3PO4 valency is 3. Clear to everyone? So valency we have to take, that is the 3. Now see, next term we have to take, that is the molecular weight. That molecular weight purpose, just we have to take 3 into hydrogen plus 1 into phosphorus plus 4 into oxygen. So here 3 into 1, because hydrogen its mass number is 1, plus phosphorus it is 31, plus oxygen it is 16. Now see, 3 plus 31 plus 16 4s are 64. So in this way 4, 5 plus 3 8, here 6 plus 3 9, 98 is the molecular weight. अभी equivalent weight find out करना है. So if we consider equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight, that is the 98 divided by valency. Valency is 3. So its answer will be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6.78. So 3 6s are 18. So in this way 32.6 is the equivalent weight of this H3PO4. So यहाँ पे हमने given data तो complete कर लिया. Now we have to use this formula. What is that formula? Normality is mass of solute. What is the mass of solute? That is 4.9. That volume is given in the ml. So just we have to multiply by the 1000. Now see, into 1000 divided by equivalent weight is 32.6 into volume of solution in the ml, that is the 500. So 20 will get cancelled. 5 2s are 10. So 4 9 into 2. Now see here, 1 decimal I have shifted. So in this way 49, and here 3 2 6 will be the there. Now see, 2 1s are 1 2. Here 2 6 are 12. After that 2 3s are 6. So in this way 49 divided by 163, that is the answer. And in this way if we calculate it, then we will get answer 0.163. 3s are 489, means 0.3 normality. means if that 4.9 gram of H3PO4 is dissolved in 500 ml of water, at that time we are getting the solution of 0.3 नॉर्मेलिटी. क्लियर टू एवरीवन. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीट हो गया. ऐसे ही हम ऐसे करके एक एक एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करते जाएंगे. दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज दैट प्रॉब्लम? सी, कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट ऑफ. बिफोर दैट, in that first example we have calculated the normality. Now we have to find out the amount of oxalic acid required to prepare the solution 500 ml and its concentration is 0.2 normal. So from this data we will write that given content. What is given? In that given we will write that what we have to find out, calculate the amount of, means that is the mass of solute that we have to find out. Okay, now see, required to prepare 500 ml means volume of solution is given. That volume of solution is 500 ml. This volume is given in the ml, so in that formula we have to do some changes. Normality is given, that is the 0.2 normal. ठीक है. सो फाइंड आउट क्या करना है वो भी मिल गया. अभी हमें पता होना चाहिए मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, क्योंकि मॉलिक्यूलर वेट पता होगा तभी तो हम इक्विवेलेंट वेट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. और टू कैलकुलेट द इक्विवेलेंट वेट वी शुड नो द वैलेंसी आल्सो. इफ वी कंसिडर दैट ऑक्सैलिक एसिड at that time, in that like that 2 hydrogens will be there, so valency of that oxalic acid is 2. So if we consider equivalent weight and molecular weight, now see we will calculate the molecular weight of that oxalic acid. Molecular weight, that is nothing but we are saying that molar mass also. 2 hydrogen atoms plus 2 carbon atoms plus 4 oxygen atoms, but it is not finished. Then 4 hydrogen are also there. You will ask me that can we write it together? Yes, we can write 2 hydrogen plus 4 hydrogen. Here we can write the 6 also. Now see, oxygen number is 2. Here already 4 are there. So we can add these 2 oxygen here also. Now see, 6 into 1 plus 2 into 12 plus 6 into 16. So 6 plus 12, 2s are 24 plus 16, 6 are 96. So in this way, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 126. That is the molecular weight. So 6 plus 24 plus 96 is equal to 126. That 126 is the molecular weight. Now see, equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight, that is the 126 divided by valency. Valency is 2. So here we have written that one. So 63 is the equivalent weight. So यहाँ पे in that formula whatever we have to use, that content is with us. So we can find out that mass of oxalic acid easily. Now see, normality. What is the formula? Normality is equal to mass of solute. Normality is equal to mass of solute. Now see, volume is given in the ml. So multiply by 1000 divided by equivalent weight into volume of solution. Clear to you? So if we just put the values, then we can calculate it easily. What is the content? Now see, we will put this given data in that formula. Normality, what is that? 0.2 equal to mass of solute, that we have to find out. So I am writing that symbol, that is the mass W, solute A, into 1000, that is as it is, divided by equivalent weight. Here we got that is the 63 and volume, that is the 500 ml. Now see, 2 0 get cancelled, 5 2s are 10. So 0.2 is equal to WA into 2 divided by 63. Now WA we want to find out, just we are shifting that content to other side. So WA is equal to 0.2 into 63. That 2 is multiplied to WA, that's why that will get divided. So 2 here, 0.1 will be there. So finally WA is equal to 6.3 gram. Means in this way we can say that when 6.3 gram of oxalic acid is dissolved in a 500 ml of water. At that time we are getting the solution of the 0.2 normal concentration. यहाँ पे सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल खत्म होगा.